Howdy folks, welcome to all the subscribers, old and new. Today I'd like to sing you a old traditional song that originated somewhere in the British Isles and it was carried across to America. The Carter family recorded it in the mid-30s and then it was done by Tom Paley first when he was singing with the New Lost City Ramblers. And then when he moved to England, he recorded it with Peggy Seeger, and finally he recorded it all by himself. It's a song about parental interference in a courtship. Hope you enjoy it. Who's that knocking at my window? Knock so loud, but don't come in. It's your own true-hearted lover. So rise you up and let him in. Go away, don't wake my mother. For love's a thing she can't endure. She's been the ruin of many a lover. She'll be the ruin of many a more. I've come to whisper in your ear, dear. Do you think it's any harm? I've come to win you from your father. Pray trust yourself in your darling's arms. Go away, don't wake my father. For he lies on his bed of rest, and on his breast he carries a weapon to kill the one that I love the best. I wish I was a little sparrow. I'd circle like a turtle dove. I'd fly away to a lonesome valley and settle there in a land of love. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. God bless, and we'll see you next time.